Hey everyone! So today we're going to do an 11 by 14 oval, and we're going to do a technique called Soulmate, but we're going to bump it up a notch and do a Soulmate kiss. So what you do on this technique is place color on both sides of your cup. So let's start with a little bit of white. Just so I know when I'm getting to the end. We will not use all this paint, I don't think anyways. So I want to make sure that when the white starts to flow, I know I'm getting towards the bottom. So today's colors are going to be a little interesting. I am going to be using some purple. This is Lukas Permanent Violet. And also some Lukas Mauve. Oops, bumped you, sorry. And we'll be using some Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue. And also, let's go with the Manganese Blue, just to set it off a little bit. So what I want to kind of do is blues with metallics on this side, purple with the mauve on the other side. So on this one here, we'll be doing this in this cup, and this in this cup. So I have a purple metallic from Craftsmart called Purple Pearl. And we'll put that in the purple side. And then on this one, we'll be using a Peacock Pearl. Let's change that. Let's go with the Craftsmart Sea Mist Pearl. But I also want to add a touch of black to each one of these. Okay, so that's going to break up. I probably should do one more color as well. So let's go ahead and throw in some deep violet from Liquitex. That way I can put the black between the two. And then on this side, let's mix it up with a little bit of the Lukas Turquoise. This ought to be interesting. Okay. So let me set this one aside. And let's do this cup first. I feel like I'm doing a demo. I actually am, aren't I? Okay, so on this side we want the violet, and on this side we'll do the mauve. Do you see how I'm placing them on the sides of the cups? Alright, so then I'm going to run, this is a layer, a little bit of black over top of that. And then on this side we'll do the Lukas, or the Liquitex Deep Violet, I'm sorry. Need a little bit more. And then we'll do the Craftsmart Purple Pearl on this side. Let's do one more. So we'll do the violet and the mauve. I'm watching my level here. A little bit of black between them. The Liquitex Deep Violet and the Craftsmart Purple Pearl. Now because my canvas is already coated in the black, I do want to put a little black on top of that, so that's the first color out. Alright, so there's one cup. Now, I gotta figure out how I want to do this one. Okay, I think I have it figured out. So on this side, we already have a white, so on this side we're going to go ahead and put the Manganese Blue and the Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue. We're going to add a little line of black between them. And then on this side, we're going to do the Sea Mist Pearl. And on this side, we'll do the Lukas Turquoise. Mix it up just a little bit. Same thing. Get them out of my way so I don't do them again. Cement's pearl on this side. And the turquoise on this side. Alright. We have enough paint, I'm sure. Okay. So here comes the fun part. So now we're going to go ahead and take these two cups together. They're already pinched. I already pre-prepped them. And we're going to let the paint mix together here so that they kiss before they go down on the canvas. It's hard to watch the cups and the canvas at the same time. Just letting you know that. I wanted a lot of black in this painting, so I think I'm getting my wish. You want to try to go as slow as you can. And you'll kind of know when you have enough paint, which I'm already there, I'm sure. So I'm going to go ahead and tip back. Let them drip. Oh, I did it, but I think it's going to run off. And these have silicone, so we'll probably get some cells. I'm going to pop those air bubbles real quick with my little torch. And we're going to go ahead and start stretching it out. I'm going to go ahead and let it go right off the edges. I'm going to be stuck with that drip, aren't I? We'll see if we can take it off. I love that purple in there. Let's see if we can get it off without ruining our composition anyway. There we go. So I'm really loving this mix of colors. We have so many different things going on, and the cells are starting to pop up on the black. So that wasn't so hard, was it? Okay, let's give it a torch and see what we have. Those air bubbles out. This will change a little bit as it's drying. I think we'll see more come up through here, but you never know. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click that bell so you know when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out all the links below. We have offers for Stone Coat and our Etsy shop and our donation link with PayPal. But 2019 is going to be our year, right guys? I see one little stubborn bubble. There we go. I thought maybe it was a clump. Nope. Alright, so let's give you your close-up. It's pretty. Great mix of colors for sure. This will dry beautiful. And we have the two metallics in there, so there you go. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.